Good morning, dear students. Continuing with our same chapter, the Stone Age, we will deal with the topic rock paintings today. Here, I want to tell you that early humans lived in caves and they decorated them with paintings on the wall. These drawings were of running wild horses, bisons, bears, stags, and herd of other animals. Now here the word herd means group of animals. Some of these are found in Madhya Pradesh and southern Uttar Pradesh. The colors which were used in it were red, green, white, and ochre. The colors red, green, and white are known to you. Ochre is a new name, but by the name, the meaning of this color is it comes from the shade from yellow to red. Any color coming in between was known as ochre color. Yes. And these paintings also show men hunting either in groups or alone, riding, women grinding and preparing food and dancing, different types of it. It also can see the case study here of Hansgi and Baijbal Valley in the Deccan, which have several Stone Age sites. See, several Stone Age sites. Most of them are early Paleolithic sites. A large number of finished and unfinished tools have been found here. This shows that early humans lived here for a very long time and the sites were probably habitation as well as factory sites. Tools were used. Most of the tools were made from limestone, which was locally available. Locally means nearby the areas it was available. The tools we can see in the picture from made of stones, sharp-ended, prepared for hunting, chopping, cutting, etc. Now, during the same time, in other parts of the world, what was happening? See, the rock paintings were also discovered elsewhere in the world. For example, in France, historians believe that such paintings were made between 20,000 and 10,000 years ago. The ingredients of the colors were mainly minerals like ochre or iron ore and charcoal. The subject of these paintings were animals like bisons, woolly rhinoceros, reindeers, and so on. Means majorly the animals were shown in these rock paintings. It is believed that these rock paintings were perhaps created on ceremonies for special rituals or perhaps by hunters before they went for hunting. Before they went for hunting, they were preparing such kind of paintings to indicate what they are going to do now. indicating with the pictures what they are about to do, what they are about to work. At the same time, there were some environmental changes. Environmental changes means what? Now here the change in temperature we can see, the change in the climate was observed. As discussed earlier, the climate of the world changed around 12,000 years ago. It became warm from cold. Earlier it was very cold and then it became warm. Due to this change, the grasslands developed a lot. This development increased the number of animals that survived on grass. Hunters of these animals also followed them. They learned about their breeding seasons and food habits. Slowly, people started thinking about rearing these animals themselves. And then they started rearing the animals. During this time, several grain-bearing grasses including rice, barley and wheat grew naturally in different parts of the subcontinent. Early humans collected these grains and used them as food. They learned their cycle when they ripened and where they grew. This might have been the beginning of growing plants by humans. All these developments took place in the Stone Age. So, this is all about our today's class. We will again meet tomorrow with the completion of our notebook work. Thank you.